Obviously at Meridian, public safety is one of our big issues. We try and keep our assets open for the public and don't fence them off and don't restrict the public coming on board, because it's important that they're able to share what we have here.
As you can see behind me, well, you can't see a lot, but that there is Lake Ohau, one of the larger lakes that help in the hydro generation scheme here. I've been working with Meridian for over 15 years, and they approached us in the last few months to help them with a signage around bodies of water. They've got a lot of structures, dams, and they need to provide safety for the public in and around their waterways.
So in our network we have a number of power stations, but we also have a number of structures that don't generate power, but they either control the inflow or outflow of the water. Probably the thing that challenges Meridian at times is unfortunately water does change. What can be quite calm water suddenly can become quite rough fairly quickly.
This here is called Gate 20. It's one of the many gates on their scheme, and it flows through to the first power station of the Ohau scheme called Ohau A Power Station. It looks pretty settled down there, but the reason that it's got the orange boom in there, and there's the sign you can see in the distance that says danger, keep back 200 metres, is there's actually 1.5 metres of water flowing through underneath into the canal.
One of the things when you start a new job and you change roles is you reach out to those that have some product knowledge and certainly industry knowledge. And one of the key things certainly for both Identimark and for Charlie is the level of experience and understanding of what not only is best practice internationally, but within the electrical industry, what's required. And I think that partnership that's gone on with Meridian for a long period of time has certainly made the public safety project that we're working through currently at the moment a lot easier, because Charlie has that knowledge and that understanding as we go through. Not only the signage, but also the product and the material. How does it last in this environment? As you can see, it's not 100% sunny today, but in summer up here it's really hot, and so we've kind of got the climatic changes. So it's about what's a product that will last for the different areas we cover.
One of the things that we're known for is making durable stuff. We're out here, I think it's about -3 or 4 degrees, a bit of a wind. Our U3 signs, they're designed not to fade, also designed for the extreme conditions. So if you've got extreme cold or extreme heat, like in the deserts of Australia, our signs last. So this is Ohau A Power Station, and we work with the team there to create a pictorial image to show what the danger actually looks like.
I mean, the pictograms is a good comment, because it's our international visitors now. So the days of a standard sign have gone, and we need to line up with the international signage so everyone understands what the risks are.
Traditionally, you might just have a danger sign that has danger, keep out at all times, or something like that. However, the public don't really recognise the danger that is evident when you kind of see the power station like this. It looks fairly kind of safe, you know, a bit of bubbling water there, but at a moment's notice you can all of a sudden be inundated with tons of water spraying over top of these fences here. So this is one of the signs that we helped design. Obviously the key things that they were trying to cover with this is simple message and the use of icons, because obviously every tourist is not going to be English speaking, and to provide the icons so that they understand the dangers, the warnings and the hazards that they have out here in the hydro assets.
Charlie's been the key lead. Obviously there's the implementation team that are doing the install. Probably one of the big things is the IT side of it. The system that you use for marking the signage, taking the photos, just makes it really easy for that follow-up reporting side. We've got a public safety audit coming through very shortly, and the way that report's done just makes it a real asset to hand on to the auditors and say, hey, this is it. So that's a real positive. So
working with the teams to create a compliant danger sign enhances public safety, and kind of comes back to what Identimark's all about, is protecting what matters.
So again, signage is the important part for us to make sure that we keep everyone as safe as possible.